Wall Street Mania. I'll let you guys in. It's a little house tour. So, not much, obviously. Not much at all. Whole landscaping right here that y'all see, my wife did an excellent job at it. This was not here at all. I wish I had a picture to show you, but this was just a complete flat area, and she freaking redid this entire section. Now it's raining, it's crazy. See, this is the trading station where all the magic and stuff happens over here. TV, so that way I'm kind of winding down playing the game while trade might be happening. Plus, my wife decided to do a couple small things like this door. We actually didn't have a door on, but it was sliding at first. So she wound up taking the door, splitting it in half, putting borders around it, and we wound up painting it and everything. So came out to be a really good job and a good idea, I guess, she got from TikTok. Same thing with this. These were actually white, just like the other cabinets and everything. She wound up putting a border around this, painting it green. So another idea that she came up with from TikTok. And of course, the backyard when going outside from the kitchen. And of course, my favorite, the basement, man cave, theater. These are some of my favorites. Jurassic Park. Got, of course, the Fast and the Furious. I love Fast and Furious movies. Batman right here. Shout out to my boy Pete. Terminator, but Terminator 2 is my favorite. And then, of course, Black Panther. I am going to switch this up with the new Mortal Kombat movie. I am going to put a new poster down. And of course, I had the speakers actually put into the wall. So I had the wires, and of course, kind of routed and everything to a surround sound. And even this stage right here, this stage was actually built by me out of pallets. I took 2 pallets when we getting the basement done and actually put flooring above it and trim work around it and then painted the flooring. So a little creative. That way, as you sitting right here, you're not looking over the couch to see the TV whenever we're doing a movie. I also installed this dimmer switch too, so when we are watching a movie, you actually get this. And of course, I'm a big Mortal Kombat fan, so if y'all want to play either 1, 2, or 3, come over here and get y'all butt kicked, let me know. And finally, my garage. My garage has looked a lot better. My YouTube channel 2.0 car vlog, which I got right here as well, you will see when I did have my Pontiac G8, this thing was always up and down. Painted the entire wall black, and then everything you guys see, the pictures and everything, were done by me with spray cans. Venom was my first one, and of course the Pontiac sign, Carnage, and the 2.0. So you're gonna see 2.0 all around here. And if y'all ever need some stuff done, I clean the cars. We got the shop vac, power washer, clean out the inside of the car, carpet wise. If you go to AutoZone, don't, because I pretty much got AutoZone in my cabinets. That's the tour, guys, and we stay in a very nice neighborhood. And when I say nice, not rich, but just more peaceful. We don't got much, but we make good of what we got. Beautiful day. That's my life. Hope this tour was fun. And if you guys are not following my channel, you should be. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to join my Discord, here is the website to go to. Besides that, keep God first. Love you guys. Peace.